The whole idea is, this faith I told you is a feeling. Our foreground mind is chanting and hearing concurrently. When it's chanting and hearing concurrently, it is not, right now, we are discussing about all this, right? We are discussing about the Namavatara, what is Archavatara. Which mind is doing all this? Foreground mind. The active mind is now discussing all these things. We are thinking about it. We are engaged in thinking about the Lord's Archavatara. We are engaged in thinking about the Lord's Namavatara. So thinking has a role in Nama Japa, but it is off Japa time. Off Japa time, so much you think that it goes inside and it turns into a feeling of faith. Finally, the faith is a feeling. Faith is not a thinking. When you have faith in something, at that time you don't think of all those things. Oh, he exists. How he exists, why he came here, nothing. All those thoughts are all over. You have understood many times, due to his merciful nature, he will come down as Archa. Archa means he is there, finish, feeling you his presence. That is faith. You feel his presence. Reasoning are not required at that time. You have already gone through the reasoning, through the Acharya's words. By the transcendental knowledge that he has given us about the Lord's incarnations, that it is not material. The transcendental Lord is always transcendental, even when he descends into this material world. And he does not take a material body like ourselves. Our material bodies are all limited. When we incarnate from body to body, and we incarnate due to our own limited karma. Karma delivers us the different type of body. But the Lord chooses his own body. Out of his free will he comes down. There is no karma acting on the Lord when he incarnates into this material world. And not only that, when he acts in this material world also, there is no limitation. Janma karma chame divyam. His karma, his activities are also not based on past activities like how my karma is based on, influenced by the past karma. Out of his sweet will, his activities is janma and karma. There is no role of karma, laws of karma, there is no role of three gunas. Simply the material energy is his energy, so he can do what he wants. He comes into the Shakti Avachanama and he electrifies it, Satchidanandizes it, and that when we, with our attention, touch the transcendental vibration, then we receive the mercy of the Lord.